finally kind of shifting into in-person learning. We're very fortunate to have, because of our vaccination rates, because of our the health situation, have all our students in the classrooms. But I want to take a few moments to talk about schools and in-person learning. I first want to thank all our school teachers, our principals, and all support staff for the incredible amount of work and preparation that went into not only getting ready for in-person learning this year, but for the work that goes into operating a school each and every day. We all know that safe in-person learning is the best option for our children, and we want to make sure that our students have as many in-person, undisrupted school days for learning in this year as possible. That's why we're looking into some of the protocols other states have put in place in regards to regular testing to keep the kids in the classroom. I had a conversation with Governor Baker last night, talking about some of the programs that are going on in Massachusetts, and we're certainly going to be following up as we compare notes on multiple things, but I thank the governor for taking the call last night. Specifically, we're beginning the stages to exploring a test and stay pilot program, starting with one district with a focus on the elementary schools. A program like this is not an easy lift. It will take supplies and human resources and planning, but we've done that with all our vaccination efforts, so why won't we do it in our schools? And all our testing efforts as well, leading the country again. But it'll also take some input and support from parents and the community. Even though it's not an easy lift, I believe that it's worth exploring because it gives our students the opportunity to be in the classroom learning. Over the weekend, I received a call from the superintendent Wesley that's interested in us putting all our resources together and to explore that possibility in their community, as well as the school committee chair texting me today. So we see that I've been approached by multiple superintendents that are looking to get more of their children in the classroom and spending less of their administrative time working under certain quarantine conditions that are currently in place. But again, I want to tell you that we're doing very well. I think there was maybe 4,000 of our 145,000 kids that were in quarantine recently. From a percentage point of view, that's strong. We just want to make it better. So we'll have much more to say about this over the next few weeks, including some information sessions specifically for parents. We'll run the pilot for 30 days, study the results, see how many school days were saved by implementing it, and if appropriate, would be to expand on that. And Dr. Alexander Scott, I'm sure, is going to speak to the issue that vaccines are going to become available for the 5 to 11 years old, and that's going to make a significant difference as well as we make sure that our students are in the classroom safely. So we relied on our school communities to make decisions that are best, that meet the students, teachers, and families. As I've said multiple times, we developed the protocols and the policies, and we asked the school departments to make those local decisions. So if you're a district leader who's hearing this and wants more information or wants to be included in this, that we should expand the pilot, please reach out to RIDE by emailing back-to-school@ride.r.gov.